Welcome to Investago TV's weekly review, your essential source for global economic updates, keeping you informed on the latest market trends and financial insights every single week. Buckle up. Amid geopolitical tensions and following Western sanctions on Russia, various countries are moving to repatriate their gold reserves from the US. This shift, highlighted by a significant survey and congressional inquiries, underscores concerns about reliance on the US financial system. Despite the Federal Reserve's historical openness about foreign gold storage, recent queries from the Congress have been met with evasive responses, fueling speculations about the status and movements of these international assets. This situation prompts questions about the transparency and future of global gold. Hints at a nearing pivot from the aggressive inflation control measures. In recent congressional testimony, Powell signaled that central bank is on the cusp of easing rates, pending a bit more evidence of inflation aligning with their 2% target. Despite expectations from steady rates in the upcoming March meeting, discussions will closely examine the economic forecasts, potentially setting up rate reductions later in this year if inflation and employment data align with Fed expectations. The United States faces a looming fiscal crisis with unfunded liabilities for Social Security and Medicare reaching a staggering $175.3 trillion. This colossal figure, representing promises made without the necessary funding, threatens the nation's economic stability. The gap has widened dramatically, fueled by demographic shifts including the aging populations and declining birth rates, alongside escalating healthcare costs. The situation places immense pressure on future generations, demanding urgent and comprehensive reforms to ensure the sustainability of these vital social programs. Bitcoin recently surpassed $71,000 for the first time, driven by the approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the US and Ether breaking the $4,000 mark. This surge is also attributed to the London Stock Exchange accepting applications for Bitcoin and Ether exchange-traded notes and illiquid market conditions in Asia. The rally increased the future premium on exchanges, indicating a potential boost in market liquidity. Positive shifts in US rates and the dollar alongside the UK Financial Conduct Authority opens doors for crypto-backed ETNs have contributed to the upward trend. Despite a dip in Asian stocks, the demand for Bitcoin remains strong, supported by a supply-demand imbalance and the anticipation of the reward halving. That's a wrap for today, and I'll catch you next week. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels to stay updated. Wishing you continued success on your journey.